Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 65 Lincoln Continental. This comes from Trey in Bakersfield, California. This is one of two jobs that Trey sent me. Thank you so much, Trey, for your business. Trey has requested the modern internal conversion with FM. He has also requested the Bluetooth and a USB feature, so we're here to test everything out before we send her back. I've got the radio set to the one strong AM station I get, so let's turn it on. And we're going to play around with some balance and fader adjustments.
Hello everyone, Julie Hartman here. Those of you who've been listening to Dennis's show know that he's been talking to you a lot about the very real threats to religious
balance adjust.
Okay.
For college age
make that
students.
balance instead.
Have scholarship opportunities for a daughter or a granddaughter who excels in sports are slipping away due to woke policies mandating that male athletes are allowed to
balance
set. Alrighty.
The scary thing is this
fader adjust.
Fader adjust.
People can
all the way
happen
front.
to you too.
All the way rear.
And that's where Alliance Defending Freedom comes in.
Rear.
Your gift of $100, or really any amount, keeps the Alliance Defending Freedom on guard.
Fader
is set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
In fact, ADF President
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the Bluetooth's ready to pair, so we know that's working right. Let's make sure it plays my radio commercial through the USB.
About a third of all of our gifts.
Having fun, trying to buy classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69, but she ain't sounding so fine. Driving this car, I can't hear the guitar. And all my
okay, we know that works. Alrighty, let's go to FM, which on this model we do by turning it off and then right back on within a half a second. I've got all 5 presets set to a FM station to my ear so we can get through it quickly. Pop on. Now we're on FM.
Only getting started.
Earn and thrive online.
Around the corner at the store with outstanding
9625.
Okay, so there's our FM. Alrighty, let's make sure the dial light works. You can see it flashing on and off in response to my pushing the button. So that takes care of that. The radio's ready to go. Back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to his next one. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an old AM radio. I can add all kinds of stuff, man. FM, more output power, USB, Bluetooth, even HD. I want to thank Trey for his business from Bakersfield, California, and anyone who would like to reach me for service, please visit my website, which is in the description below. Please visit my website and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because once you've been on my website and printed my work order, you'll realize that all your questions have already been answered, and you don't need to take me off the bench for 15 minutes asking me a bunch of preliminary questions. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you again, Trey, for your business, and we'll see you guys next time.